everyone, today we are in Locorotondo, we are in Puglia. This is the very stunning place in middle of Puglia region. We are in southern Italy. The name Locorotondo means round place. Loco is a place, round, rotondo. Now is coming the La Sposa for the wedding picture. And because this is one of most beautiful views of this village. Eccola la sposa, is coming, la sposa. Locorotondo is located in Itria Valley. The Itria Valley is famous for the Trulli buildings, are the building with conic roof. If you love the wine, in this place we have the Verdeca wine. This is the vineyard on the hills of the Verdeca wine. In this region we provide cycling tours and food experiences. Locorotondo is one of the most beautiful villages of Italy. It's included in the Borghi più belli d'Italia. Now we go to the village. Let's go. Allora, this is Locorotondo. This is the map. We are here. Now we walk to Via Nardelli, to the panoramic view, panoramic terrace, from where you can see the vineyards, the Verdeca wine. In this direction we have Martina Franca village. This village was awarded by Touring Club and is one of the Borghi più belli d'Italia, one of the most beautiful villages of Italy. After this walk we go inside the historical center that is full of buildings. We go to the church of San George. It is one of the symbols of the Locorotondo village. Now let's go to discover Locorotondo. Vineyards of Verdeca wine, the valley, Martina Franca. These roads are very beautiful. To enjoy cycling we can provide wine experiences, cycling tours. It's a very beautiful place. White buildings. Locorotondo is located in the Itria Valley. Itria Valley is famous for the Trulli buildings. The Trulli buildings are this building with conic roof. You can see in the other place. Locorotondo is famous for this type of roofs. It's strange because it's typical roof of Nordic buildings. In southern Italy, in Locorotondo, you have this type of roof with a high slope. Let's go discover the village. This is the Porta Napoli, is the door of Locorotondo village. Let's go. great tour. Okay, in the description you can find my contacts if you desire to rent a bike or enjoy a cycling tour or wine experiences, food experiences and more. Let's stay in contact. Bye.